Welcome back. So let's show that the function u is harmonic. To show that u is harmonic, we just need to show that u satisfies the Laplace equation. So we show that u squared, partial squared u partial x squared plus partial squared u partial y squared is 0. So partial u partial x in this equation is given by 2x plus 2. Partial u partial y is given by minus 2y. Then partial squared u partial x squared will be 2, and partial squared u partial y squared will be minus 2. If I partial squared u partial x squared, this implies that the sum of these two partial derivatives will be 2 plus minus 2, which is 2 minus 2, which is 0. So indeed, the function u satisfies the Laplace equation, and hence u is harmonic. So since u satisfies the Laplace equation, then u is harmonic function. So that's how we solve that problem. Thank you.